Hi guys, it's Melanie. Here is my project. But before I begin to explain it, I want to talk to you guys real quick about some trouble I had with it and see if anyone had any feedback or help that they could give me with it. The first issue I had was actually connecting it to my computer. My USB for some reason was not connecting. I kept getting a flashing green light. I could not get the steady green light. I tried resetting it. I tried unplugging everything, even re-downloading the software, replugging it back in, switching outlets, and probably after about a good hour of fighting with it, I finally got it connected. Then the next issue I had was, for some reason, my flower is supposed to spin. You can actually see it. It's moving back and forth very, very slowly or fastly. But the flower is supposed to spin back and forth, and it did in the beginning also, but then my servo decided it didn't want to work either, and I tried both of them. I tried putting them in different spots on the board too, but for some reason I cannot get it to work. And a couple times when I would just add a single one in, it would work, but now it's not even doing that either. But this is my code, and I will show you what it was supposed to do in the story that went along with it. So when the sun turns red, it produces warmth, which causes the flower to be happy and want to spin and dance. But when it turns blue, it makes the flower sad, so it stops moving and waits for the warmth to come back again. So that was pretty much my story, and it was supposed to repeat itself I had it repeating about 5 times, going back and forth from red and spinning, and then going to the blue, and then back to red. But once again, like I said, if you guys have any feedback or help that could possibly help me out, I'd greatly appreciate it. Thanks, guys.